This is the video on how to not leave your fridge freezer at the end of a tenancy. Always check the top. As you can see, this is still very dirty. On to the left. The front there, you can see magnets left. And it's not been cleaned, scrubby handprints and marks. Over the front. To the side. However, if we open up, you can see that it's not been cleaned internally. Some items left, and it's very dirty and greasy and grimy. And then in the freezer you can see that there's moulds and debris. There's quite a significant smell. Items left. Dirt around the seals, broken drawers, and overall not a good condition to be left in.
Stink.